USDA logo. United States Department of Agriculture. Meet the expert, Chris Maragos, PhD.
I'm Chris Maragos, and I'm a research chemist with the Mycotoxin Prevention and Applied Microbiology Research Unit in Peoria, Illinois.
Describe the subject area of your research.
We develop novel methods for detecting mycotoxins, which are low molecular weight toxins that are produced by fungi. These toxins are found in a variety of commodities and foods that are important for U.S. agriculture.
What are the objectives of your research?
Well, our research has several objectives. These are focused on keeping mycotoxins out of the food supply. This helps food safety, but also helps the safety of our animal feed supplies. So in order to do this, we have to do monitoring for the toxins in our food supply. And in order to do that, we need methods for detection. And our group develops novel methods for detecting these toxins in foods.
What are the main outcomes of your research?
We've had several very nice outcomes from our research. These have included materials that have been licensed by industry to use in test kits that industry makes. So specifically, we've developed some antibodies for various mycotoxins that the test kit industry has seen fit to incorporate into their own test kits. So how that works for the industry is the people who are using these kits get a commercial product with all the training that comes associated with a commercial product. Makes it easy for them to use. And ARS focuses on what we do best, which is the research portion of this.
Describe any additional findings from your research.
Well, actually, the development of the materials that I've just talked about stemmed from a necessity when I first began my position at USDA. This began as a need to develop materials for developing novel sensors. And so quite a bit of the focus of our work is actually on developing novel sensors for detecting mycotoxins, improving existing methods, including improving methods that are commercially available. But in order to improve these methods, we needed to have the tools upon which they are based. And at that time, those tools were not commercially available. And so we went through some of these antibody development projects in order to generate the materials necessary for us to develop novel types of sensors and continue our research.
What are the next steps for your research?
Next steps will include trying to multiplex multiple toxins into a single assay. There's a need out there to detect many different types of analytes within a particular food or commodity, not just fungal toxins. So the goal of our future research is to try to integrate some of the mycotoxin detection into detection of other types of contaminants in foods.
USDA is an equal opportunity provider and employer. To file a complaint of discrimination, write to USDA, Assistant Secretary for Civil Rights, Office of the Assistant Secretary for Civil Rights, 1400 Independence Avenue, Southwest. Stop 9410. Washington, D.C. 20250. Or call toll-free at 866-632-9992 for English, or 800-877-8339 for TDD, or 866-377-8642 for English Federal Relay, or 800-845-6136 for Spanish Federal Relay. Music by Dexter Britton. Available under Creative Commons license from www.dexterbritton.com.